Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NVFY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And it just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis a couple days ago, and so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And I think I did it yesterday, actually. So yeah, I did this analysis yesterday, and today definitely got good, solid continuation. So some updates here definitely need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning. Get rid of this line down here. Yes, it still pertains to the chart, but not really relevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to have a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion. So I want to just try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that needs to be made comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that watched the last video I did and hopefully remember me talking about $2 as resistance, now that the price is above it, this would be one of the newest areas of support. The ideal level of support, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above $2.30, that would make things look very, very powerful. But if the price does drop below it, I'm not saying that everything's ruined or anything like that. That would just be, that preferable situation that would make the chart look the most powerful. Taking a step back, looking at big picture of things, I believe I talked about it yesterday, but it's really all about that purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. And the very black and white way, the very simplistic way to look at that is as long as the price is above that purple line, bulls are in full control, bulls are in full health, no questions asked. Now, what about levels of resistance? For this, what I'm going to do is just kind of throw in a trend line here. So that'll be the main level of resistance. Can't really assign a numerical value to it because obviously as time goes by, this line, is going to change in value. But if I had to eyeball it right now, looking like it's right around 265, give or take a little bit. But again, that is going to change as tomorrow unfolds. Point being, though, at the end of the day, whether or not, that level is broken tomorrow, sure, it matters, but it doesn't really matter within the grand scheme of things because within the grand scheme of things, as long as the price just keeps on putting in higher lows, the long-term chart's going to take care of itself. So very nice day today. We'll see if the bulls can continue to build upon this momentum or not. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.